Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have a hilarious showdown between two dash cams that will leave you in stitches. On the left, we have the Aerophase dash cam front and rear 2K plus 1080p with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi. And on the right, we have the Prilot dash camera. Let the battle begin. Alright folks, let's talk about video quality. The Aerophase dashcam boasts an impressive 2K plus 1080p resolution on both the front and rear cameras. That means you'll capture every detail of the road, from license plates to road signs. On the other hand, the Prilot dash camera offers a whopping 4K resolution on the front camera and 1080p on the rear. It's like watching a Hollywood movie, but in your car. Now, let's shed some light on night vision capabilities. The Aerophase dashcam features super night vision with a wide aperture and WDR technology. It's like having a spotlight in the dark. But hold on, the Prilot dash camera takes it up a notch with infrared cabin lights. It's like having a disco party in your car at night. Who needs headlights when you have a dashcam that can see in the dark? Time to get smart, people. The Aerophase dashcam comes with built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi and an app for easy control and live streaming. You can share your epic road trip moments with just a tap of a finger. But wait, the Prilot dash camera has a 3-channel system capturing not only the front and rear, but also the interior of your vehicle. It's like having your own personal reality show. Kim Kardashian, eat your heart out. Let's talk about parking mode, shall we? The Aerophase dashcam automatically switches to parking mode when your car is parked, providing continuous protection. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your vehicle. But hey, the Prilot dash camera also offers a parking mode, but you'll need to buy a separate hardware kit. It's like hiring a bouncer for your car. Safety first, people. Memory capacity is crucial when it comes to dashcams. The Aerophase dashcam supports up to a whopping 256GB micro SD card, and guess what? It even comes with a 64GB card included. That's like having a never-ending movie marathon in your car. On the other hand, the Prilot dash camera comes with a free 32GB micro SD card. It's like having a mini film festival on the go. The Aerophase dashcam received positive reviews for its video quality, performance, user-friendly app, and excellent customer support. Reviewers also appreciated the built-in Wi-Fi and included 64GB SD card. On the other hand, the Prilot dash camera received praise for its clear footage, easy installation, user-friendly operation, and affordability. Many reviewers recommended it as a reliable and budget-friendly option. And there you have it, folks. The Aerophase dashcam and the Prilot dash camera battling it out for the title of the ultimate road companion. Remember, it's not just about the features, but also about your personal preferences. So which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an entertaining showdown like this one. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.